So we're here with another really great product. This is the Snap 4 Luxe Pure Silver. Snap is a great product that we've covered several times in the past, but this new model specifically has aircraft grade aluminum. It's fully magnetic. It's got a sturdy kickstand. As you can see here, you can use it to kick out. You can use it as a holder with your fingers. It's got a really good spin also built into it, and it just snaps down. Now, this is designed specifically to work with MagSafe charging, with MagSafe phones. Even if you don't have a MagSafe phone, you can still get like a MagSafe case that allows it to have a little ring there. But let's open this up. We'll show you what it looks like on the device. It's really easy. Scan the QR code for the most up-to-date estimate of how to use Snap 4, OhSnap. Then, as you can see there, it already just sticks right to it. Oh, that's strong. I believe it does have an adhesive though, so if you do need to take that off, yeah, it's got an adhesive. So you could use the adhesive specifically on phones without it, but since this one has the MagSafe ring on it, you could just attach that directly to that and not have to worry about adhesives, glues, or anything like that. And it's just, it takes a bit to take it off. So we're not talking about like a light connection. And so you can hold that like this, so you don't have to worry about your phone flipping around or falling out. You can kickstand that out. Kickstand there's a little lip there, kickstand that out, and then your phone will hold up like that, which is very helpful. They have that on both sides, so depending on how you want to kickstand it, you can kickstand it. Again, it fully rotates, so you can even kickstand it like that if you wanted to. It's a very cool unit. You can even put your finger in the middle section if you want. The arms fully extend up, fully extend down. As you can see there, those little legs with the teeth in them, kind of like fork tines, or the technique between it, full swivel. It's a very helpful and handy little adapter. Plus, you can MagSafe charge through it. So, for instance, if you wanted to put that on a QI charger, you would still be able to charge directly through this into the phone. It's not going to be a deterrent to your actual charging, which is really cool. Hopefully you guys found this interesting. Hopefully you guys pick up one of these for yourself, because these are just a really cool device for anyone that wants like something similar to a pop socket, but they want incredibly low profile, and they want that ability to do so much more than just be a soft pop out, but also want the durability of something a little bit more stronger. Hope you guys do this. Hope you guys do this up for yourself. We'll see you guys next time.